So one of the ways I self-care myself is giving myself my legs a wax, giving my arms a wax, kind of just waxing myself. It might seem weird, but I really don't like shaving my legs. That it just takes so long. I feel like I always have to do it. And waxing is just kind of a way to have it done, and it lasts forever. That for me, it can last like 6 to 8 weeks depending on how your hair goes. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, these wax beads. And I'm going to show you exactly how well they work, and I'm going to show you just all about them. So these are actually hard wax, and if you've never used hard wax, the difference is you're going to melt these down, and you're going to apply it with a stick, and then you're actually going to pull the wax off itself that you don't need a strip. So it's a little cleaner to use. It's a little less fussy because you don't need those strips, and it's a little kind of easier. These are going to be a smooth, even wax melt. These are going to be gentle on the skin. These are going to really have an effortless application and a long-lasting results because you're going to be pulling out from the root. So these also come with applicator sticks, and you're also going to get a few different scents, which that's what each of the colors are. You're going to have the purple, this one, which is like a dark purple, which is going to be lavender. You're going to have jasmine, you're going to have rose, you're going to have cream, and you're going to have aloe. I'm actually going to use lavender today because if you can't see, my wax warmer is already have lavender in it. So this is my wax warmer, if I can bring it up. So I'm just going to pour the beads in. We're going to warm up, and I'm going to show you exactly how it looks once it's there. So these are each individual beads. So I'm just going to pour this whole thing in because you can kind of use the wax. As you use it, you can pull it up and then throw away that part. But this really can stay in here really well. So I'm going to take you down and we're going to look at it. So this is the beads in here. I'm actually just going to turn this on. And we're going to wait for this to melt. I'm going to stir this around a little bit, and we're going to wait it melt, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the consistency of the wax once it's melted. As you can see, it's a nice little consistency. Of course, I'm going to cool it down a little bit before I put it on my arm, and we're going to see. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So I'm going to grab a little wax. And always, too, you want to put in the direction of the hair. And then you're going to pull in the opposite direction. So I'm going to put a little bit here. And then, of course, we're going to wait for it to dry. We're going to wait for it to dry. And then you can kind of see by like how tacky. So you're going to put the wax in the direction of the hair, and then you're going to pull in the opposite. So you're going to get a little like thing, or a little like tab for you to help to pull, and then you're just gonna pull. And as you can see, super painless, super clean. And as you can see too, you're gonna get a good amount of hair. I don't know if you can really see how much it truly pulled up, but it's super smooth and my skin's not irritated at all. So if you're looking to wax, this is what you need.